Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to look at some hidden features inside your computer's power supply unit, or PSU. Most people think the PSU just powers the system, but modern units actually do a lot more. If you're using a recent model, you might be missing out on tools that can help with performance, cooling, and even system safety. Let's start with power monitoring. Some PSUs, especially digital ones, come with built-in sensors that track how much power your system is using in real time. If your PSU supports software like Corsair ICU, Thermaltake DPSG, or Seasonix tools, you can check how much power your CPU, GPU, and other components are using. This can help if you're overclocking or trying to troubleshoot sudden crashes or slowdowns. It's also helpful if you want to know how much power your PC uses during different tasks. Next, many PSUs have fan control features. Some models support what's called 0 RPM mode. This means the fan inside your PSU doesn't spin when your system is idle or using low power. It only turns on when the system gets hot or is under heavy load. This keeps your computer quieter most of the time. Some PSUs also allow you to control the fan curve using their software. That way, you can balance cooling and noise based on your own preferences. Another important feature is voltage protection. This includes overvoltage and undervoltage protection. These systems monitor the power going to your components and shut things down if it goes too far outside safe levels. You won't notice it happening, but it protects your parts from sudden power spikes or drops, which can happen during storms or power outages. Some higher-end PSUs also give you access to efficiency tracking. Most people only check the 80+ rating, like bronze or gold, when they buy a PSU. But with live efficiency tracking, you can see exactly how much power your PSU is drawing from the wall and how much it's delivering to your PC. If you're someone who leaves your system on all day, this could help you understand your power use and maybe even save money over time. Finally, there are custom power profiles. These are available in some PSUs with digital control. You can set limits for how much power the unit should deliver, adjust how it behaves during sleep and wake modes, or make it respond in specific ways when temperatures change. If you didn't know your PSU could do all this, now is a good time to check the model number and visit the manufacturer's website. You might find software tools or extra features you didn't know you had. Unlocking these can give you more control over your PC and help it last longer. Thanks for watching.